Welcome to our latest video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to explore the pivotal role technicians play in implementing a successful preventive maintenance program. Stay tuned as we unpack why up to 90% of CMMS implementations fail and how you can turn the tide. I'll be sharing practical tips to get your frontline technicians and entire organization on board with preventive maintenance, highlighting benefits and incentives that matter to them. Let's get started. If you're aiming for a successful preventive maintenance program, remember that it all starts with the technicians. They're the ones who will be implementing the program on a daily basis. If they're not on board, it's likely the program will fail. In fact, a study revealed that between 80 and 90% of all CMMS implementations fail, primarily due to lack of acceptance by the maintenance team. So let's dive into some practical ways to get your frontline technicians and the rest of your organization behind a preventive maintenance program. Firstly, let's tackle the skepticism that often exists within businesses. To the frontline employees, it can sometimes feel like management is constantly rolling out new programs. If previous programs have failed, your technicians might view a new preventive maintenance initiative as just more corporate jargon and continue with their usual routines. So, instead of introducing preventive maintenance as an abstract concept aimed at improving efficiency and cutting costs, let's frame the benefits in terms of what's in it for the technicians. Here are a few suggestions. 1. How about tying preventive maintenance benchmarks to technician bonuses? This could be a great incentive. 2. You could introduce promotion opportunities that are made available by preventive maintenance technology. And 3, don't forget to solicit feedback about preventive maintenance tasks and processes. If technicians understand why they should do something differently, they'll have some skin in the game and be much more likely to follow through with requirements. Next, make sure you work with a preventive maintenance technology partner that's in it for the long haul. Depend on this partner to assist you with the onboarding of new software or computer systems. Remember, it's in your partner's best interest to successfully implement the new system. You'll want a solution that can be quickly implemented and is intuitive to use, as well as a company that will provide ongoing support to your entire organization. Finally, it's crucial to unify top management. Infighting between top managers can be a major roadblock to the implementation of a new system. If technicians and other employees don't see complete buy-in for adoption from their supervisors, it's easy for them to take sides, which can slow down implementation or even halt it altogether. Make sure your top management understands the big picture benefits of preventive maintenance and presents a unified front to the rest of your organization. Remember, a successful preventive maintenance program starts with the people who will be implementing it every day. By explaining the benefits to them, working with a reliable tech partner, and ensuring unified support from top management, you can set your program up for success. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of technicians in implementing a successful preventive maintenance program and how to overcome common obstacles. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and to learn more about our tools and services, visit us at upkeep.com.